Hey guys, what's up? So Tina refused to record this video. I wanted her to introduce the video, but what did I say last? Tina, can I show you now? She's gonna kill me. So I don't know what happened because the footage just got recorded afterwards, but something happened. There was an argument with a bike and a car, and the guy on the bike decided to be a little frisky and punch the windshield of the car or whatever. I don't agree with it. I do not agree with it. You post and tell me what you think, what happened, if you know what happened in a little news article or whatever. But what had happened was that, and then the guy got a little more pissed. The car's window went up, pulled up a little bit because I guess he got scared. The guy took his helmet, and you guys will see exactly what happens in the video. And I would never, ever, ever suggest doing that. Nobody should be doing that. As angry as you are, that is too much. You can exchange words, you can do whatever, but that is way too much. And I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me. And just let me know what you think, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos where I talk about little things that happen here and there, and I have it on here just for everybody to see. I'm sorry, Tina keeps saying things. Long story short, let me know what you think of the video. Comment down below of what? Comment down what?
Yeah, comment down below what your thoughts and feelings are about this video.
I suck at YouTube. Guys, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts about this video are. Obviously, I would hope you guys would share the same opinion as mine, and that is, don't do it. That's really stupid no matter what happened. And enjoy the video. And by the way, if you're noticing this shirt being really tight, it's because it's a small and I put it on for no reason because I felt different today.
And when you're not available, One Talk helps find the right person who is. So wherever work takes you, you can put your customers first. And they don't have to listen to any more of this. Learn more at onetalk.com and see why more small businesses choose Verizon. Because in business, better matters. One Talk capable decimal must be purchased from Verizon to support some of these features. Results based on third party.
Our summers are getting hotter and resources are stretched. So it's time to save energy, LA. It's as easy as using LED bulbs, washing your clothes on coals, and switching off lights when you leave the room. Unplug your cell phone when it's full, and use a power strip to easily turn off your electronics. And on our hottest days, set your AC to 78 degrees. You'll stay comfortable, save money, and help the environment. For more tips and money-saving rebates from LADWP, visit SaveEnergyLA.org. Let's put our energy into saving it, because it doesn't take much, but it does take all of us.
I counted on my Medicare and Medi-Cal cards every day. Then I heard about a simple plan from Anthem Blue Cross and called 1-844-64-ANTHEM. This plan goes beyond the basic health benefits of original Medicare, with all kinds of extra benefits like help paying for dental, hearing aids, and eyeglasses, plus allowances on everyday items like vitamins and toothpaste. Now, my Anthem Blue Cross card gives me the extra benefits I deserve, all for a $0 plan premium.
If you have Medicare and Medi-Cal, talk to one of our representatives. Call 1. That's 1-642-643. Calling AM to ATM under defrauding. Paid active return. This information is not a complete description.
All for a $0 plan premium.
If you have Medicare and Medi-Cal, talk to one of our representatives. Call 1. That's 1-642-643.
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like,
This
so like my
is
shit.
a PS Records production.